Good morning, my dear children. How are you, all of you? I hope all of you very fine. Okay, next chapter, geometry. Okay, Nama, fourth class students, listen. Geometry chapter, last chapter. So, geometry class, we are seeing compass box. We are using so many things: scale, protractor, and divider, circular. These are all. In this chapter, first we are learn symmetrical lines. So line of symmetry. That means, okay, Nama. First, we take your textbook. So open 114 page number and look at the pictures. So first picture is in. What is this picture? Ladder. Okay, Nama. This is a symmetrical figure. What is this? Symmetrical figure. So, next one. So, this is a line of symmetry. What is this? A line of symmetry. So, this is a line of symmetry. Okay, Rama? Look at your textbook pictures. First one, which of the following figures are symmetrical? So, look at these pictures, Rama. First one is needle. Needle is in. So, first we know the symmetry. What is the symmetry? In anything or any object is in cut in two equal parts. Okay, Rama? Cut in two equal parts. That is a symmetry. So, in this circle is in cut in this line are equal to the above line and below line. Okay, Rama? This is called a symmetry. Okay, Rama? Next step. We go to exercise 1. Which of the following figures are symmetry? In this needle, look at this picture. Needle. Needle is in one side is very less length. Another side is broad length. Okay, Rama? So, this needle is cut in two parts. That is same length in this needle? No. So, this needle is not a symmetry. Next, book. Is in this book. So, we are cut in two parts. Anywhere. In this cut in two parts, this fold this book. So, two parts is same length. Okay, Nama? Same equal pieces are same equal lengths. So, book is in symmetrical. So, take that book. Book is a symmetry. Okay, Nama? Next, in glass, we take one glass of water. Glass is in fur. So, that is in equal pieces is there? No. So, glass is not symmetry. Next, ladder. Ladder also in this symmetrical figure. So, book and ladder, these two are the symmetrical figures. Okay, next. Next, second one, draw the lines of symmetry. First, draw this picture. So, in this picture, cut in two parts. Anywhere, that is equal parts. No. So, this is in not symmetry. Next, scissor. Scissor is in cut in two parts. So, scissor is in symmetry. Next, in this diagram, this is cut in one part. Okay, Rama? So, this is also one line of symmetry. So, this is symmetry. Next, house. House is in door. Door is also cut in two parts. So, this is also symmetry. So, tick the 3. In this scissor and this diagram also tick this. So, this lines of symmetries. In this above is book and ladder also take. Next on that page, number of line symmetry. What is it? Number of line symmetry. So, put that heading, number of line symmetry. How many line symmetries is given? find out. So number of line symmetry. So we write only E. So this is E is in one line of symmetry. One line symmetry. Okay, Nama. So next second one, straight line and horizontal line. Okay, Nama. In this line is cut in two parts. This one is also cut, and this one you are draw in straight line. This is cut in horizontal part also. This is vertical line. This is horizontal line. So this is the two lines of symmetry. So two lines of symmetry. Next third one, Amma. Draw rectangle. So rectangle has opposite sides are equal. Okay, Amma, in rectangle. So in vertical line is in two parts is equal, and horizontal line in these two parts are equal. Okay, Amma. This is how many lines of symmetry? Two lines of symmetry, horizontal line and vertical line. Two lines symmetry are two lines of symmetry. Okay, Nama. So next square. We draw square. Square is in four sides are equal. So four sides are equal. That is a square. We draw square four times. So first one is we are drawing vertical line. Next we are drawing horizontal line. This cut is also in this type, Okay, Nama. This is also two shapes is equal. This is also above and below is also equal. This is also two types are equal. This is also. So in the square, how many lines of symmetry? Four lines of symmetry. Four lines of symmetry. Okay, Nama. So one line symmetry, two line symmetry, and four line symmetry. Okay, na? Write that. Next one. Draw all the lines of symmetry of the following shapes. In each case, state the number of lines of symmetry. So, Amma, draw this picture. The first one. So, Amma, draw this picture. So, how many lines of symmetry in this picture were noted? So, first vertical line. This is the one line of symmetry. Next one. So, this is the one line of symmetry. Okay, Nama? Next, this one is the another line of symmetry. So, how many lines of symmetry in this figure? Three lines of symmetry. So, write that three lines of symmetry. Write this amount. So, how many types? Three lines. So, this one and this one and this one. Three lines of symmetry in this. Next, second picture, right? Draw first. So, this one. This one is one line of symmetry. Okay, Nama? So, this is the cut in two parts, two equal parts. So, how many lines of symmetry? One line of symmetry. Or one line symmetry. Okay, Nama? So, next one, third one. Third diagram draw. So 3 circles we are draw. Then after this. So how many lines of symmetry in this figure? So this one is the one line of symmetry. This is the same equal part is in the another part. Okay, Nama? How many lines of symmetry? One line of symmetry or one line symmetry. Okay, Nama? Third diagram also drawn. Write this one line of symmetry. Next, fourth question. Draw this diagram, 3 circles. So one is the middle circle, another one is the side circle, and this one is the another circle. So this one is the one, this vertical line is the one line of symmetry, this horizontal line is the another line of symmetry. So 2 lines of symmetries in this figure. Okay, now write this 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines symmetry. Okay, Mama. Next, fifth one. Fifth diagram. So, drawing cylindrical shape. So, 2 equal parts. So, how many lines of symmetry in this? Vertical and horizontal. So, 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, Mama, 2 line symmetry in this figure. Next, sixth one. So, how many lines of symmetry in this figure? In this one line of symmetry. Okay, now one line symmetry. Next, seventh one. So, how many lines of symmetry? 2 lines of symmetry in this figure. So, how many lines? 2. 2 lines symmetry. Okay, Nama. This one is the 7th one answer. Next, draw that 8th picture. So, 8th picture we are drawn. So, circle. Then after drawing, inside of the circle is triangle. Okay, Nama, how many lines of symmetry? 1 line of symmetry. 1 line symmetry. Okay, Nama. Next, last one, triangle. So in this triangle also 1 line of symmetry. So this one is also 1 line of symmetry. Okay, Rama, these 9 pictures also drawn. Write this. How many lines of symmetry? Next, turn that page. So next kinds of triangles, that means types of triangles. Okay na? So we know that types of triangles already we learned in third class. In third class triangle chapter also we are known. Okay. In this types of triangles are kinds of triangles. So kinds of triangle. So in the triangles of three types of triangles. What are they? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Okay na ma? What is a triangle first? In triangle how many sides and how many vertices and how many angles? In triangle three vertices, angle A and angle B and angle C. This is the one vertices, this is the second vertices B, third one is the C. Okay na ma? Three vertices is in the one triangle and three angles, angle A and angle B and angle C. Three angles is in the triangle and three sides, angle AB and BC and CA. So this is the one triangle has three vertices and three angles and three sides. Okay na ma? In this triangle has three sides, AB, BC and CA. Okay na ma? So in these three sides is in equal. Sides are is in equal. That triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay na ma? First one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So what is an equilateral triangle? Three sides, that means all the three sides are equal in equilateral triangle. Okay na? That means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. This type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. This is the in this side 3 centimeters, in this side 3 centimeters, in this side also 3 centimeters. These three sides is equal. The triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay na ma? And the second triangle is an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle means if two sides are equal, if any triangle two sides are equal, take one triangle vertices A, vertices B and vertices C, and angle in this angle AB is in 4 centimeters, angle AC is in 4 centimeters, angle BC is in 5 centimeters. This triangle, two sides of this triangle is equal. That triangle is called isosceles triangle. Okay na students? Three sides is in equal, that is equilateral triangle. Only two sides is in equal, that is isosceles triangle. So that means angle AB is equal to CA is not equal to BC. Okay na ma? This triangle is called isosceles triangle. Next third triangle is in scalene triangle. What is a scalene triangle? So in scalene triangle is in different length. Is in three sides is in different lengths of this triangle. So this is in 2 centimeters, this is in 4 centimeters, this is in 5 centimeters. So these three sides are different. That called a scalene triangle. That means we write this AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to CA. Okay na ma? So this triangle is called scalene triangle. In equilateral triangle is three sides are equal. In isosceles triangle only two sides are equal. In scalene triangle three sides are different. That means three sides are unequal. Okay na ma? So now let us discuss the problems. Next, open that page number 117. The exercise first. Classify the following triangles are equilateral or isosceles or scalene triangle. Okay, nama first triangle we are draw. So in this A and B and C, in this side is in 9 centimeters, in this side is in 11 centimeters, in this side is in 6 centimeters. So AB is in 9 centimeters, BC is in 6 centimeters, CA is in 11 centimeters. That means three sides are different lengths. So this triangle is called scalene triangle. Okay, nama different sides is called scalene triangle. Write that scalene triangle. That means you are right. AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. That's why in this triangle name is scalene triangle. Okay, Nama. Next second question draw. Okay, na? In this A and B and C. In this side AB is in 3 centimeters, BC is in 4 centimeters, CA is in 5 centimeters. This is also AB is not equal to BC is not equal to CA. So AB is in 3 centimeters, BC is in 4 centimeters and CA is in 5 centimeters. So unequal. So 3, 4, 5 is in equal? No. So that is in different lengths of this triangle. So this triangle name is again scalene triangle. Okay, Nama? All of you understand, Nama? Okay. Next third one. So third picture here draw. A, B and C. In this side is 6 centimeters, in this side is 6 centimeters and in this side is 6 centimeters. So three sides are equal. AB is equal to BC, BC is equal to CA. So AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. So three sides are equal. That triangle name is equilateral triangle. Okay, Nama? So this triangle name is equilateral triangle. Okay, na children? Next, Amma, fourth triangle is drawn. So this is A and this is B and this is C. Okay, na? In this side, above side is 7 centimeters, this is 12 centimeters, this is also 12 centimeters. In this questions is in your textbook. So look at in your textbook and write these questions and answers also. Okay, na? So in this picture, two lines are equal, two sides are equal. AC is equal to BC. That means write that AC is equal to BC is not equal to AB. So in these two sides are equal, that triangle name is isosceles triangle. Okay, now what is it? Isosceles triangle. So in this triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, Nama? Why? In these two sides are equal. That's why in this triangle name, right, isosceles triangle. Okay, now children. Next, right, Amma, next question. Next question, right, or diagram draw. Fifth one. So in this vertices A, B and C. In this side is 4 centimeters, in this side is 7 centimeters, in this side is 10 centimeters. So three sides are in different lengths. So different lengths of this triangle, that triangle name is, what is that? Scalene triangle. So write that scalene triangle. Okay na children. Next amma sixth question, right? Draw this and widths is A, B and C. In this side 8 centimeters, in this side 8 centimeters, in this side also 8 centimeters. So three sides are equal. So three sides are equal. That triangle name is equilateral triangle. Type that. So equilateral triangle. So in these three sides are equal. That's why in this triangle name equilateral triangle. Next one. So my next question, draw the diagram. Seventh question. What is it? In this A and B and C. So this side is 2 centimeters. This side is also 2 centimeters. This side is also 2 centimeters. So three sides are equal. That triangle name equilateral triangle. So write that. Okay, Nama. Next, eighth question, draw. Draw that eighth picture. So it is A, B